Tactical training, free kicks, first play. If the ball is positioned on the right side of the court, the pivot should get open deep. The left wing deep on the other side and close to the goal. The goalkeeper should be positioned inside the offensive half court, in a position that enables him to participate in the play. The fixed defender and right wing are close to the ball. At the referee's whistle, the right wing fakes running towards the ball, changes direction, and goes towards the pivot. At the same time, the pivot moves to the center of the goal area, taking the defender with him. In the first variation of this play, the fixed defender should pass to the right wing. The right wing can shoot or pass to the pivot, or even to the left wing who shoots. In the second variation, using the same motions, the ball is passed to the goalkeeper, who shoots. In this play, the ball is positioned closer to the goal area, almost in front of the goal and the defensive wall, formed here by 3 defenders. The left wing is positioned deep to the right side, and the right wing is positioned deep on the left side. The pivot should be placed behind the defensive wall. The fixed defender is close to the ball, in a position to make a pass or shoot. And the goalkeeper should be positioned inside the offensive half court, in a position ready to participate in the play. In this variation, at the referee's whistle, the pivot should make a block on the defensive wall. At the same moment, the fixed defender should fake the pass to the goalkeeper and pass to the right wing, who shoots. Third play. When the ball is positioned on the right side of the court, the left wing should be close to the ball, ready to pass or shoot. The fixed defender is also close to the ball, but positioned more to the center. The pivot should be on the left side of the court, and the goalkeeper a bit behind the pivot. The right wing should be deep on the left side. In the first variation, at the referee's whistle, the fixed defender and the pivot should make blocks on their respective defenders. Simultaneously, the right wing should move behind the pivot. The left wing can make the pass to the right wing, who can shoot on goal. In the second variation, using the same movements as the first, the pass can be made to the goalkeeper, who shoots to score. Tactical training, sideline kicks, first play. The ball is positioned in